Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let me show you the quick access to it. Simply slide down the upper bar, locate the hotspot icon and tap on it. Within a short while it will be active, so as you can see, tethering of hotspot is active. If you would like to switch it off, just click on the same icon, and then if you would like to personalize your hotspot, so if you would like to change your network name and also the password, open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, then go to the more options under wireless and networks and pick tethering and portable hotspot. Here go to the Wi-Fi hotspot, where you can also enable Wi-Fi hotspot by tapping on this switcher. And then you can personalize it by clicking on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. Here you can change the network name and also the password. So if you will click on Show Password, you will be able to see what your current password is. Then you can delete it and enter a new one. You just have to remember that it must have at least 8 characters. Once it's done, click on Saved and wait a couple of seconds until the changes are uploaded. And that's it. As you can see, you've just activated the Wi-Fi hotspot, you've changed the network name and also the password. Enjoy sharing your internet with other devices. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.